There's been a lot of panic in the market lately, especially during that drop to almost 24,900. Not quite though. But there's a piece of information that I don't think a lot of people have been talking about, which is probably what led to that downward spike and then now this upward spike. I'm going to get right into this. So we have $50 million a week, which is the limit that FTX is allowed to sell their assets, right? To liquidate their assets. FTX has a lot of Solana right now, but only 13% of that can be liquidated. The rest of it is locked up till 2028. So this is pretty much a nothing burger, just like Heidi said 3 days ago. And if you are in our CT club, link is down below, you will know what we've been buying, especially during that dip. Moving on, we have infighting in the SEC. This is really good news. I'm actually surprised that they would actually admit this, but 2 out of the 5 commissioners dissenting from recent enforcement action, as they have done with many other recent enforcement actions in the past. It is not just us that believes Gary Gensler is overreacting, and I've been saying it is untenable, politically untenable for Gary Gensler and the SEC to keep bashing Bitcoin. It just really is, especially now that they have a futures ETF, Bitcoin ETF, and they don't have a spot Bitcoin ETF. Futures, you can manipulate the crap out of Bitcoin if you wanted to. With a spot ETF, at least that is going to keep companies accountable. And the SEC is really digging their own grave as well, because Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is now said 80% of new hires this year will be from outside of the US, where there is much more regulatory clarity. So people are kind of getting that they're moving offshore. Guys, if you're a US citizen, you should be hounding your government. Like, it's pretty out of control right now, because this financial evolution is leaving your shores and going elsewhere. But the good thing is, if you know how to use decentralized exchanges like we've been teaching people, we have plenty of videos on that. Look at those, and that will be a way for you to just kind of ignore the noise and go ahead and buy Bitcoin now, which is kind of cool, on MetaMask, and everything else pretty much on decentralized exchanges. So really good stuff. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.